In this lecture, you will learn different path options available to make a sweep feature. We can make a sweep when sweep profile and path are aligned or not aligned. Or we can also sweep a profile along edge using as a path. And also we can sweep multi-loop profile along a single path, and we also can make a closed loop path using edges of a part. So let's start our lecture now. Okay, first we will make a simple sweep when path and profile are aligned. So just go to sweep path base feature and select sweep profile, then select path. You can see the preview. A simple sweep has been created. Now our next step is how to create a sweep when path and sweep profile are not aligned. Just press this sweep profile. You can see that this is the sweep profile and this is path. Both are not aligned. So just go to sweep path base feature and select sweep profile. Then come to path option and select this sketch as a path. You can see how this sketch has been reflected along this profile. So this is the option when the sweep path and sweep profiles are not aligned. Another option is that we can use the edge of a part as a sweep path. Just go to sweep path base feature and select sweep profile, then edge of this part. So you can see that this path profile has been generated. Similarly, we have a multi-loop sketch. This sketch has 4 loops. We can sweep this sketch along single edge of this part, considering the edge as a path for sweep profile. Again, go to sweep. Sketch has already been selected. Select this edge as a path. So we have created a multi-loop sweep using a single edge as a part. And our last one is that we can make a sweep along this path. First we will create a path of these edges. Then we will create a sweep profile. Select all these edges using hold or control key. Then go to curve and select projected or composite curve. Okay, you can see that a composite curve has been created. Now go to swept path base feature, select this circle as a profile and select this composite curve. So in this way, we have created a closed loop path using edges of this part. Then we have made a sweep. So I hope you have picked my point of concern in this lecture and make a practice again and again. Thank you and meet you in next lecture very soon.